Hi there, welcome to my Red Tea Detox program review for 2018. The Red Tea Detox is a recently released program by Liz Swan Miller which makes you aware of the best way to slim down by means of relying on a simple tea. Liz discusses all the ingredients and recipe which the ancient Kenyan tribe in Africa has been using to suppress hunger cravings. She provides you with the recipe of the red tea. It is a drink which will help one accomplish their goals of getting a slim figure. Not only is it a natural process, but it is also one that is supported by scientific research. The Red Tea Detox program can help you shed some pounds through performing 4 things. 1. It controls hunger and reduces cravings. 2. It prevents mood swings and keeps you from feeling too sad. 3. It removes any chance of gaining rebound weight which is brought on by skipping meals. 4. The tea turns on the inner metabolic switch, thus losing weight is accompanied by energy release. The Red Tea Detox could help you to lose 14 pounds within 14 days. Results may vary and others might lose more excess weight while others may lose less. It also comes with a money-back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose. We recommend that you definitely give it a try. I have also provided a special discount link in the description below which gives you a $20 off discount. That makes this awesome product only $17 and includes 4 free bonuses as well. Click the link in the description for the discount and please subscribe to this channel.